Hey, have you been following the news about the recent disaster in Sumatra and Aceh? It's absolutely heartbreaking.
Yes, I have. The flooding and landslide have been devastating. So many people have lost their homes and livelihoods. The death toll keep rising and 1,000 are displaced.
It's tribal. What makes it worse is that this region seems to face disaster repeatedly: earthquake, tsunamis, floods. The communities barely have time to recover before the next disaster hits.
Exactly. And this infrastructure in many areas just is built to withstand this natural disaster. Poor drainage system, deforestation, and climate change are making this even worse.
Speaking of health, have you seen what some influencers are doing?
Yes.
People like Prestego and King Abdi have been really active in raising donation and visiting affected areas.
I have honestly, I think it's commendable. They using their massive platform for something meaningful. Prastagu has been quite transparent about the donation, showing receipt and distributing at directly of victims.
True, but if also seen some critics online. Some people say influencers are just doing it for content and clout. You know, filming themselves giving out ad pages for view and like.
I can understand that perspective. It does feel performative sometimes when they make sure every treatable act is filmed and posted. But here's my take. Even if their motives aren't 100% pure, the result is still positive. Real money, real money is reaching real people who desperately need it. Yeah.
That's a fair point. I guess it rather have influencer doing charity for view than not doing it at all.
Yes.
At least they mobilizing their follower to donate too. Traditional fundraising method don't always reach a younger generation the way social media does.
Exactly. And some of these influencers, like the one you mentioned, Sam Gwynly commented, they're not just making one viral video and disappearing. They're following up, organizing long-term real life efforts, and keeping the issue in the public consciousness.
I think I donate through on of the campaign myself. Even small contribution end up when thousands of people participate.
That's the spirit, and maybe this will inspire more public figures to use their influence responsibility. The disaster relief efforts need all the help it can get. Coba lu yang pertama.
Gua nadanya nanya.
Iya.
Gini ngadepin gini.
Terserah nggak ya kayak gitu.
Ya, bebas,
gini,
enjoy aja nggak sih?
Terserah lu mau kayak gimana, terserah.
Kayak
lu.
ngobrol kayak biasa aja nggak sih?
Nyantai aja ngobrolnya.
Have you?
Ya lu jangan lihat.
Oh ya udah makanya itu.
Ya, terserah sih kalau lu mau
Have
lihat.
You heard in natural
About
Have you heard about the natural? Nah,
nah
have you heard the natural
about the
have you heard about the natural disaster?
Yeah. Have you heard?
Ayo. Have you heard about the natural disaster in Sumatera?
Yes, I have. It was really shocking.
Atuh lu jangan teks.
Sabar, kan gua belum hafal.
Have
Shit, man. Yes, I have. It was really shocking. Many
you
many
heard
areas
about disaster?
were affected by the
Have
flood
you heard
and
about
landslide.
disaster in Sumatera?
Landslide.
Have you heard
About?
Have you heard about disaster in Sumatera? Have you heard about disaster in Sumatera?
natural mau dibaca kali ya.
Terserah, orang mau baca enggak.
Iya.
Yang penting nanti lu pas ngedit ada ininya.
Teksnya ya.
Ayo.
Teksnya sama aja. Oh, cantumin
Ada
sama
biar tahu
isinya.
apa yang lu baca. Jadi
Iya.
mau lu Inggrisnya sejelek apa juga yang penting tahu.
Yes,
Ayo.
I have.
Ayo.
It
Wih, siapa
was
itu?
really shocking.
Goblok, gua kira setan anjing belakang. Kaget gue. Kacamata.
Cepetan ngedit
Eh,
yang bener.
lurus gak sih?
Lurus dah lah.
Ah, gitu
Ayo.
lah maksud gua. Sabar. Yes, I have. It was really shocking. Many areas was affected by the flood and landslide. Landslide apa deh? Flood and
Landscape.
landslide.
Nggak tahu.
Landscape jembut, beda.
Ayo.
Wih. Beda.
Kan ntar nih terserah lu
Iya.
mau yang gimana biar
Jangan
di sini.
semuanya banget ya, pokoknya.
Ini udah lama lu. Ayo. Have you
Udah ini aja stop dulu aja. Kalau lu udah pada hafal, record
Iya,
langsung.
iya.
Jadi tag tuh nggak ada yang
been following and landscape?
Di bahasa Inggrisnya susah banget dah dia nganuinnya dah.
Hey.
Anjing nih.
Hey.
Apa juga susah. Ada
Hey,
bahasa yang mau
hey.
baca.
Makanya itu kayak contohnya apa nih?
Gua sampai
Have
translate
you
kan
been
minta tolong
following the
Google bacain
news
apa
Tuh.
ini.
the recent disaster in Sumatera and Aceh?
Livelihood.
It's
Kalau itu livelihood apaan? Livelihood. Apa ini kata hidup juga? Life juga tetap.
Livelihood.
Iya kan?
Livelihood.
Woi, Tir.
Ya.
Nih, kan kita ngeditnya dari sini. Menurutku mah nggak apa-apa kita ngeliat ini. Kan kita konsepnya kan tadi awalnya kan video kita lihat ini kan.
Iya.
Video awalnya kan kita lagi nonton ini.
Kan dulu yang ngobrol kenapa liat monitor aja?
Ya nggak apa-apa.
Pala lu.
Kita udah ngobrol kayak
Ketara banget dong.
kayak gini.
Ya,
Woi,
gue mau terserah lu nilai lu anjing.
Aku baca kali ya, bercepet ya.
Terserah.
enggak baca nih. Jadi kita
Ya udah terserah.
jadi
mau baca,
kesana
Pak.
kita tuh lagi nonton ini.
Iya
lagi
nonton sampai 10 menit dah.
Lagi nonton apa? Bencananya itu videonya.
Tapi kan itu kan dia bukan
Ya, itu
nonton.
Nonton sambil ini kita ngobrol dialog.
Gimana ya?
Bisa, ayo. Ya.
Stres.
Tapi kesan baca nggak sih? Kelihatan banget.
Enggak.
Lu coba ngomong dulu.
Yeah, I have. Hey, have you been following the news about the recent disaster in Sumatera and Aceh? It's absurd.
Kalau kayak gitu kesannya lu
Tuh.
ngobrol sama Akmal.
Kesana itu mau baca dia tepat itu di kamera no. Misalnya gue baca nih. Yeah, I have the flooding and landslide have been devastating. So many people have lost their home and livelihood.
Kelihatan.
The death hall, tuh kan tuh, the death tool tuh, tool apa?
Udah tuh, ayo,
Tol.
fokus.
Tol. Yang
Satu,
ngapain lu dah?
dua, ayo apa?
Ngapain kita? Ini tol apa lagi? TOLL.
Tuh.
Apa tol emang? Apa tuh?
Iya, apalagi. Buat serius, buat. Udah cukup, gua nggak mau bercanda lagi gua nih.
Ya.
Buat bentar lagi ini.
Lu.
Sumpah, gua panik beneran ini nggak bohongan, nggak bercanda lagi. Gua mah lagi panik beneran ini.
Iya, segala panik amat sih.
Beda apa? Buat gua lagi panik beneran ini beda.
Dia korban jiwa.
Hey, about
2 jam.
1 jam jir.
Malu make sejam nih.
Hey, have you
Eh,
been
makanya
following